Hey everybody, welcome back to another walkthrough by MarineMax. Today we're at the Danvers location today and we're going to be walking through a 2021 250 Dauntless. This is a boat that we have listed on brokerage. It's currently stored inside our climate controlled showroom. I'm going to start at the back of the boat. We'll walk through it, we'll check it out, take a look at the outside before we get in. As we start at the back of the boat, you have this beautiful white trimmed 300 Verado. 3-blade stainless steel prop. You can see underneath the bottom paint is in good condition. You have your transducer and your speedometer mounted on the back there. And you can see the back side of this is that activity tower. This is just flipped down now at the moment, but this is a wakeboard rack if you wanted to flip that up. Great for storage. You have great storage back here, as well as your fill tank. And this flush integrated 4-step swim ladder built right into the deck there. Come on up, let's check out the rest. Now that we're inside the boat, you can see you have a nice casting platform back here with all non-skid. This makes it really, really nice and easy to fish off of. You have your activity tower, which again stores the wakeboards, but you can fish from up there too. So if you're doing some flats fishing, that is non-skid, and that's also your tow point for water activities. Down on the bottom here, we have two different setups here. The starboard side is going to be in its closed position. Port side is going to be in the open position. So you have nice seating back here with cup holders. And down the middle, you have a live well here. You saw that just pop up open there. That's a gas-assisted strut on a nice live well hatch there. As we close this up, we move forward to the helm. You have a beautiful helm station here with the tackle station. You have all drawers back here, space for a 5-gallon bucket. 2 rod holders and 4 cup holders down the middle, as well as this nice grab handle for anybody that's standing there. Moving up, space for 2 with flip-up bolsters. You have a beautiful Raymarine screen here, Mercury vessel view, Fusion audio, and a lock and glove box. All your rocker switches are here, and as well as your VHF radio there. Don't forget that. Right over tucked away on the right side there. This is a tilt-base helm. Lenco trim tabs and your digital throttle and shift here. You have life jacket storage, rocket launcher style rod holders against the top, and a light on the bottom side of this fiberglass hardtop. Up here, you have 2 outlets, a wireless charging, and your compass, accompanied by non-skid, so your phone and stuff isn't banging around. Let's check out the head, and then we're going to walk up to the bow of the boat. On our way up to the bow, you can see you have a good sized head area under here. Your key storage will be under here. You have a pump out porta potty, and as well, you can see we have all our fenders and lines stored down there. Moving up to the bow, come on up here with me. Plenty of seating. Again, this is all non-skid, just like the rear of the boat, but you have all your cushions here now. There's 2 compartments here. One's an anchor locker and the other an insulated fish box. And that's accompanied by these flip-up backrests, so you have a bow-facing seat there. You do have rod holders up here, as well as cup holders. Fusion audio, wireless remote. And check this out. Look at all this storage under here, guys. I can get in there. I'm not going to, but just know that I could. Tons of storage down there. Really, really awesome design. And again, beautiful hatch here on a nice lounger. So this boat, as I was saying, is inside our climate controlled showroom right now, listed for sale. If you have questions about it, you want to come down and see it, our address here is 10 Hutchinson Drive. So that's MarineMax Danvers. We're right off of 128. My cell is 781-635-8684. Come on down, give me a call, shoot me an email, and I'd be more than happy to show you this boat and get you guys on the water. We'll talk to you soon.